Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The Contax T2 is a compact 35mm point and shoot with a 38mm f/2.8 lens. It feels solid because of its titanium body and precise controls. Load 35mm film through the back door and advance the film using the wind lever. Set ISO by turning the film speed dial to match your film box number. Power the camera by sliding the lens cover open and press the shutter gently for metered exposures. Keep the wrist strap secure when handling the camera in crowded environments. Compose through the small viewfinder and hold the camera steady with both hands. Use autofocus for most situations and switch to manual focus for close work under 1 meter. Control depth of field by selecting aperture and letting the camera choose shutter speed in aperture priority mode. On bright days, use ISO 100 film or an ND filter to avoid overexposure. For low light, use ISO 400 film and steady your stance or a tripod to prevent blur. Learn the flash modes to fill shadows or freeze action as needed. Protect the lens by keeping the cover closed and using a soft lens cloth when cleaning. Replace the CR123A battery every 1 to 2 years to maintain consistent metering and flash performance. Store the camera in a cool, dry place to protect electronics and lubricants from humidity. If aperture blades stick or oil appears, seek professional service rather than disassembling the camera yourself. Carry spare film, a light meter app, and a microfiber cloth when shooting on location for uninterrupted workflow and better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.